How can you enable auto scroll on Instagram Reels? Instagram is testing out its new feature auto scroll. If it's not available on your device, then follow these steps. Firstly, open App Store or Play Store and search for the Instagram app. If you see any kind of updates, then make sure to click on the update option to update your app. Once updated, open the Instagram app on your device, go to the Reel section and click on the three dot icon on the right corner. You will see a menu pop up. If you see an option called auto scroll, then it means that you have the option. However, if you do not see the option, then don't worry. Instagram is testing a built-in auto scroll feature for Reels, but it's not yet available for everyone. This feature, when available, lets Reel automatically jump to the next video once the current one finishes. This will be ideal for hands-free browsing. As of mid-July 2025, the feature was only rolling out to selected users, primarily in India and among certain creators, not yet universally accessible. However, multiple reports confirm Instagram has officially launched the feature with a few users able to activate it. That's all for today. Thank you.